All right, this video is how to download the new iOS 14 onto your iPhone. First of all, you've got to be connected to Wi-Fi. So you want to connect your Wi-Fi. All right, I've got it connected right to my computer. But make sure that you're on Wi-Fi. And we're going to go back to settings. We're going to go to General. Going to hit General. Go up to Software Update. And it's going to check. And then all you got to do is go download and install. If you're not hooked to Wi-Fi, this will be shaded gray. But I am, so I'm just going to go click here. And now it's going to ask me for my password, which I'm not going to show you. I've entered my password. And now the update requires blah, blah, blah. Okay. Terms and conditions. Of course, you got to read all that. Yeah, this is what everybody does. Just agree. I agree. As you can see, it says update requested. And this is going to take a while. Up here, it's going to say your estimated time remaining. And if you want to read this, it tells you all the different things that you're going to, all the new things that they've added. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this down right here. And we're just going to let that do what it's going to do. And then we'll come back to it as soon as it's done. All right, as you can see, I've got 24 minutes remaining. And it's downloading, which is what we want. So I'm not going to make you agonize through that watch. We'll wait until the end and I'll come back. Okay, so it's been about an hour later, and as you can see, it says preparing the update. Over here it says preparing the update. Over here it says preparing update. So once you've got it downloaded, you're not done. So this takes a while. So I hope you don't have to use your phone while this is happening. So we're going to go ahead and let that happen, and then we're going to come back to it. All right, so anyway, this popped up. As you can see now, we've got to wait for this to run through. So it's a process. It takes... You know, this is like, I started almost 2 hours ago and it still isn't done yet. So anyway, I'm not going to make you watch it. We'll come back when it fills all the way across. Yeah, it's about 10 minutes later, as you can see. It hasn't moved very far. And when you get done, you're going to see this. It's going to be swipe to unlock. And now I got to put my passcode in. You don't get to see. All right, software update complete. Continue. Apparently we're continuing. iPhone analytics, help at about device analytics, share with Apple. Don't share. Welcome to iPhone. Okay, swipe to get started. Bam, we're in. We have a new update, public safety alert. Shelter in place has been lifted. Turnpike. So apparently there's something going on. Let's get rid of that. All right. All right, so anyway, I've updated the phone and now I'm going to do some videos on how to use the new updates. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.